Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Update your browser now, because outdated rendering engines often break full-screen behavior. Once updated, disable extensions. Ad blockers and video enhancers are common culprits. Then try full screen. If it still fails, clear the browser cache and restart both the browser and the laptop. This flushes hung graphics resources. These steps address most immediate software causes, and you'll save time before moving into driver and OS settings, which we'll check next. Once done with basic troubleshooting, focus on the graphics stack. Update your GPU drivers using the official NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel installer, because driver bugs often prevent proper full screen. Make sure display scaling and resolution match the video aspect ratio. Many laptops use 16:9. Mismatches cause black bars or failed full screen. Next, toggle hardware acceleration in your browser settings. Enabling or disabling it can fix rendering conflicts. After each change, reopen the video and test full screen so you can isolate which setting. To finish, verify the fix across contexts. Open YouTube in a different browser or an incognito/private window to rule out profile corruption. If full screen now works, reset the original browser to defaults or reinstall it. That clears stubborn settings. Make sure your operating system isn't in a projection or multi-display mode that restricts full screen. If nothing helps, the one key tip: inspect external monitor and display projection settings, switching to single display.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.